O gece Paso'dan dönen Melissa Ventura hayatının en kritik hatasını yaptı. Direksiyon başındaki birkaç saniyelik dalgınlık onu öyle sert bir kazaya sürükledi ki ne babasının etkisi ne de yalvarışları artık hiçbir şeyi değiştiremeyecekti.
You have no complaints? You're not hurting anyone?
sir. I'm okay.
Okay.
What's she doing?
She was on the phone, so now we're asking her to look for the vehicles up.
What are you looking for?
Your shoes?
There you go. I'm looking for my sandals. It's because I have my flats on here too. But
There's some slides right here.
no, it's because there's some flats up here too. But I have my sandals with my high heels up here too. I just have one set right here. It's okay.
And do you remember everything that happened?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Do I sign these too?
Just print underneath me, please. Can I just get a witness signature? Into ETOH. Thank you.
How do you say your name? Melissa.
Melissa Ventura?
Like Ace Ventura?
Perfect example.
I'm like everybody says that. Like Ace calls me. Everybody calls me Ace.
That's what's going on.
Who you on the phone with?
My friend, the one that I just dropped off.
Where did you drop him off at?
What happened?
Go ahead and hang up the phone, just deal with us, and then you could give him a call later and let him know what's gonna happen, alright?
I'll give you a call later.
Polisin telefonu bırak ve bizimle ilgilen uyarısından sonra sorulara çelişkili cevaplar veren Melissa için işler birazdan daha da kötüye gidecekti.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Hey, so where were you guys coming from?
I was just going home
From where?
from El Paso, Texas.
Were you guys? Oh, is this the? What's that from?
From El Paso,
From where?
Profe,
What is that?
bar.
Okay. So how much did you have to drink?
Honestly, I just had 3 drinks. That was it.
What were they though?
They were just vodka and carpe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Did you eat anything while you were there?
I ate before when I had my first job.
Okay.
Yeah, that was it.
Do you know what time you ate at?
At I want to say 6.
What did you eat?
Pizza.
Do you know when your last drink was?
What time is it? Probably close. I want to say like 12:30.
Do you know what street you're on?
Without looking.
Honestly, I don't really know my way around here. I just know how to get home. That's about it.
Where do you live at?
On
Where'd you drop your buddy off at?
I don't know where he lives. To be honest with you, he drove. Yeah.
So
I
I
don't know
was
where
just
he lives.
thinking, well, I want to run the SFSTs on you, standardized field sobriety test,
What's that?
where we make you watch my pen, walk the line.
I'm good, ma'am. Honestly, I'm in the nursing
I'm
program.
going to
so-
determine that. I'm
Okay,
gonna
that's
determine
fine.
that.
Where do you want me to walk?
We can go to a flat service over here.
Sounds good.
Polis alkol testlerine başlıyor ama Melissa'nın dengesiz adımları gerçeği ortaya çıkarıyor.
Just so nobody's bothering you.
You're good. You're good.
Okay. Do you feel like this is pretty flat?
Yeah. Where do you need me to walk?
Nothing yet. You're gonna space me. Okay. I want you to stare at, put your arms onto your sides. I know it's cold.
No, you're good, you're
That's
good.
fine.
Yeah.
Actually, you're gonna watch the top. See right here, with your eyes and your eyes only. I don't want your head to move. Okay, just your eyes. You understand?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, you guys are good. Sorry about that. Yeah, appreciate it.
hurts my arm. No, you're okay. Just okay. Do you want to use this line as a reference?
Yeah, I can walk in a straight line.
Okay, what line do you want to use?
It doesn't matter. You tell me.
Okay, place that left foot on the line that you choose.
Okay.
Okay, now I need you. Wait, no, don't start. Tell it. You're gonna place the left foot on the line. You're gonna place that right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe, and stay like that. Okay.
Ready?
Go ahead, like me.
Okay.
Look. Stay like that. Okay.
Ready?
Don't move. No. Stay like that. Okay. Don't start until I tell you to start. When I do tell you to start, you're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps. Get back in your position.
9?
Yeah. No.
Ready?
Stay like that. Look at me. Don't look at anybody else, okay? You need to pay attention. Okay? Stay like this. When I tell you to begin, not yet. I'm going to show you first, okay? When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps, keeping your arms down to your side, looking down at your foot, and counting each step out loud so I can hear you.
Okay.
When you reach your 9th step, you're going to leave that front foot planted. You're going to take a small series of steps till you return back to your line, and take 9 more heel-to-toe steps with your arms down to your side, looking down at your foot, and counting each step out loud so I can hear you.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to demonstrate 3. So watch me so you know what to do, and then I'll tell you when to begin, okay?
Okay.
So you're like this. You're going to go 1, 2, 3. Leave that one planted. Small series of steps. Back on your line. And you're going to go 1, 2, 3, but you do 9.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No.
I'm going to get your phone for you, right?
Yeah, it's fine. Ready?
Remember, arms down to your side. You're going to look down. You're going to count each step out loud, touching heel to toe.
Okay.
Okay? All right, go ahead.
1, 2, 3. Do you want me to turn around?
Remember, what did I tell you?
1, 2, 3.
Ready? You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004.
Look down at your foot.
1005.
Put your hands down to your sides. Look down at your foot. Count out loud so I can hear you.
2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, 2030.
Okay.
Melissa testlerde başarısız oluyor ve gözaltı merkezine götürülmek üzere kelepçeleniyor.
I'm gonna put you in my unit. It's warmer.
Okay, fine.
But you're gonna be placed under arrest for a DWI, okay? I'm not gonna put these tight as long as you don't try to slip them.
Okay.
Just glad to not have a feisty. There you go. Okay, let's go up to my unit.
Yes, ma'am.
Lucky you didn't get hurt. Worse.
I was trying to put in I have a flight to catch tomorrow. At 6 in the morning.
8 or something. Can you tell me if 1:47:15? I think this is
Do
mine.
you know what time I'm gonna be in jail for?
This is brand new. The first one in it, okay?
It's my first one, WI.
Oh,
You
okay.
guys gonna kill me.
I don't think you have anything on you.
No, I don't, man.
Okay.
No, I'm okay.
So if I can get this done fast, I don't know what day is it? Friday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you should see a judge this afternoon. If not, they usually see you guys pretty fast. So
Okay, because I have a flight to catch tomorrow. My
Tomorrow?
sister's birthday. Yes,
At what time?
My sister's birthday's tomorrow, and I'm trying to surprise her tomorrow
I know, but what time is your flight?
at 4.
Oh, PM?
Yes, ma'am.
Hopefully, I think you should be good. Let me just see your mouth real quick. Open it.
Actually, go on.
Oh, spit out. Yeah. Lift your tongue up. Okay. Yes. Alright, we're gonna go. What do you? I'll have him bring your phone and your purse with you. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Olacaklardan kurtulmak için babasının sınır devriyesinde görevli olduğunu söyleyen Melissa son kozunu oynadı ama bu çırpınış boşa kürek çekmekten farksızdı.
So when we get inside, we can call your dad if you want, but.
No, I'd rather not. I don't talk to him.
Does he work out of here? Like,
They moved to Louisiana.
oh shoot.
That's where I'm gonna go visit them tomorrow.
Oh shoot.
It's my sister's birthday on the 30th, so I'm gonna surprise her. Yeah, I just live on here on my own.
You should have made the boy drive.
I'm sorry?
You should have made that guy drive you.
Oh, he was passed out.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Keep on rolling. Oh, we'll get this one. Oh, you're crazy.
So I was talking to one of our officers who used to work at the DC.
Yes.
What time's your flight at tomorrow?
At 6, but I have to be there by 4.
At 4?
I've never been arrested before. I was telling her that my dad's a border patrol agent. So if I tell him any of this, I'll be shoot out.
Look, you get it.
Amerika'da gözaltındaki bir kişi mahkeme karşısına çıkmadan serbest bırakılamaz. Bu yüzden polis Melissa'nın uçuşuna yetişmesinin imkansıza yakın olduğunu söylüyor. Görünen o ki bundan sonraki durak sağlık kontrolüydü.
More than likely you're not going to get out in time for the flight. So since you're involved in an accident before we take you to jail, we have to get you medically cleared, alright? So, go ahead and do that. Alright, go ahead and stand up, and we're going to go out the same way we came in. We'll leave all your property with her, and then when she meets up with us at the hospital and come back over here, we'll take you to the jail, alright? We'll see you, hopefully not tonight.
Sıra olayın yaşanmadan önce Melissa'nın temasta olduğu arkadaşını sorgulamaya gelmişti. Arkadaşı Melissa'yı evde kalması için uğraştığını ve onu uyardığını söyleyerek Melissa'yı zor durumda bıraktı.
This is crazy. She said she barely hit the bumper. Jordan, okay, glad you're up. So, Melissa I drove us home, and I tried to get her to stay in the guest bedroom, but she was insistent on driving home, and she definitely totaled her fucking car and just got arrested for it.
Got a good ad.
I shit you not. I'll send you a picture of the car, but dude, yeah, like I figured I'd contact you because your dad knows her dad, and like that's like the most direct line of contact. But yeah, the car is fucking destroyed. Like, son, bro, yeah, bro. I don't know what she hit, but if she hit the front, she hit it hard enough that it cracked the windshield too. Like the bumper's completely off the car, the fucking the driver front wheels just completely mangled. That's like they were surprised that she was like okay, high key.
She called you when you came over here?
So basically we were on the way back from the club. We had met people at the club that went to the after party. Went to the after party, and that wasn't like a thing. I guess they didn't want to have it anymore. I was with my friends, and she was her one friend.
Okay.
She dropped her one friend off and was going home alone. I offered to go with her because I was nervous, and she made me nervous enough to drive home. So I had her pull over, and I drove us home.
Okay.
I got her into the house, like in the garage,
Yeah.
close, and I was like, "Look, we have a guest bedroom where you can come sleep. Like, get up 6 leave." And she's like, "No, it's fine." And like climbed back to the front from like past on the back. And I was like, "Look, this isn't smart." And she's like, "It's fine. I'm not that far."
So when she crashed, she called you and told you that she...
Yes. And right after she crashed, she was like, "Dude, I hit my bumper." That's all she said. She said that there was some homeless people out here and that they were going to call the police and that she just hit a bumper. So I was hoping it was like a minor fender bender. Because what made me nervous was leaving the neighborhood. She almost hit a trash can. And that's when I was like, it's not worth it. But,
And you're her
Yeah.
friend? You're her friend? Just
yes. Yeah, this is like even crazy. Like, this is our third time like ever hanging out.
friend? No, okay. So
Yeah.
you don't really know her.
No, not really.
So she's the first person who called?
Yeah, because like I said, she just dropped me off. Well, I guess I dropped myself off. She didn't drop me
Yeah.
off. I dropped myself off like 10 minutes or 20 minutes ago now.
Okay.
Hey, can you see?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're supposed to get judged tomorrow.
Melissa Ventura, sağlık kontrolünün ardından cezaevine götürüldü. Alkol testinde yasal sınırın üzerinde çıkması ve kazaya karışması dosyasını daha da ağırlaştırdı. Dava süreci sürüyor ve mevcut yasalar çerçevesinde ciddi yaptırımlar alması bekleniyor.